All right, gang, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to one of the city's greatest old school French joints. It's been around forever. It's called Rivage. I discovered this place because of their burger. They have a French onion soup burger. Not gimmicky. I'm telling you, it's probably one of the best burgers you can get in the city. I like to categorize my burgers in a few different ways. You know, 1, steakhouse style; 2, fast food style; 3, gourmet or themed. You know, like French onion soup is obviously a theme. It's a bit gourmet. So that's where I put this one, and it's definitely within the top 5 of that category, if not top 3 or top 1. It's been a while since I revisited that category, but I love it. Can't get enough of it. So I'm definitely going to try that. Gonna meet a couple of Instagram dudes, try a few more items. Just running here after work. Sun's almost ready to set, so by the time I'm finished, you know, it's gonna be dark. So I don't think I'll do the ride out. I've been here so many times, you should just jump out to johnnyprimesteaks.com, see all the pictures. I've got video somewhere. Get the full review, see all of my thoughts about this place. They do they're one of the few places that does proper absinthe. Nice pour. That's always a good time. They got live jazz some nights. Right here in Restaurant Row, one of you know, the theater district's mainstays. I mean, people go here daily. There's always a crowd. They're always full. The pre-theater menu, 3 courses, I think it's like 70 or 80 bucks. It's still a steal. One of the best deals in the area for a 3-course meal, pre-theater. We got a lot of tunnel traffic right here. People heading down to Midtown Tunnel. It's when it pays to have the bike. All right, so I'm gonna take this left, and this joint's just up ahead on the right. There we go, right there, the blue. All right. Yeah, look at that. See? French onion soup burger. I wasn't fucking telling no lie. All right, see you guys on the inside.